The segment anything model was released by Meta AI last year, and that model was truly a revolution. It was a foundation model that was able to perform semantic segmentation with a click of a button on most of the objects with no pre-training. Meta AI has now released the segment anything models version number 2, and this is truly groundbreaking. The segment anything model 2 is able to do segmentation, it's able to do it on videos, and it's able to do it quite well. And in this video we're going to show you the segment anything model 2. We're going to talk about the basics of the model, what it's offering, the key takeaways, and we'll go through the demo. So stay tuned until the end. Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Dhruv, and today I'm going to talk about the SAM2 model released by Meta. So Meta at SIGGRAPH this year in 2024 released the SAM2 model. This model, you can see on the screen, this is the official website for the model. There is a demo. They have open sourced the entire code, and it can be seen how good this model is. It's able to segment images, it's able to segment videos, and it's able to track objects throughout the video. So if you go over the main blog for this model, let's take a look at what they're offering. So here you can see it's segment anything model 2 for videos and images. So for both of the input modalities, it has the functionality to segment them. The key takeaways are that they have again released the SAM2, and for open science they have shared the code and the model. So here is the GitHub repository for segment anything 2, and it has all the code, it has all the model. So you can feel free to go out and check out the code for SAM2. They have sample code as well, which we will go over next in this video. The other is they are also sharing the dataset. So they created a dataset, SAV dataset, with the images and videos, and they have open sourced that as well. This is amazing, and this is actually really nice, and this is great for open science. So a great shout out to Meta AI team to be able to do this. This will help a lot of research. This will stem out, this will lead to a lot of new breakthroughs in this technology as well. Then they say SAM2 can segment any object in any video or image, even for objects in visual domain it has not seen previously. So it is truly a foundational model. And again, talking about the real world applications, many potential real world applications. It could be used with a generative model, a video model, to create new effects, unlock creative applications. Again, SAM was already being used in annotation tools. The SAM2 could aid in faster annotation, and I can foresee most of the annotation tools now working very hard to integrate SAM2 in their pipeline, because now over videos you can easily segment stuff. Before the SAM model, per frame you had to click on things you wanted to use SAM for, and every frame you had to make those segmentations. With SAM2 you can do it for the entire video, and that'll make annotation, especially for segmentation, a lot easier. For those of you who have never done annotation for segmentation, it can be pretty stressful, it can be pretty time consuming, and it's annoying really, but with SAM2 it will really help. It's going to increase the speed of annotation a lot. Here they talk about all the other amazing things. So let's maybe look at a demo first, and then we'll get some motivation, and then we will jump into the details. So here is the demo page. They have created a demo. So if we click on try it now, it'll take some time to load the demo. So we'll let it load. And then, for example, if we were to just play it on this particular, we can click on an object as an example. This particular ball we have clicked on. Maybe if we click on the person, the entire person gets segmented. We can also remove this mask and we have removed it, right? And let's say if I just want to segment, I was seeing if I could just segment the pants, but it doesn't seem to be possible. But anyways, we can see is like this ball. If I click on track, it will not only segment, but it will also track the ball throughout the process of this video. This is amazing. So let me show you on another video. So let's try on, say, an autonomous driving scenario. Autonomous driving is going to be a great use case for SAM2. And say that I want to segment this car, and I want to segment, say, this car, and then I say track objects, right? You see it's able to run it. It lost this one after a while when it went far away, but it's able to track this one pretty well. And then let's say if I want to track this guy, so let's see what happens. So when it comes into the frame, it's able to track it as well. So this is a very simple demo. Now if we were to look at the examples that they've portrayed, they've shown in the area of sports. You can apply this in the area of biology, in medical science, in autonomous driving. Again, here is an example where this guy is playing ping pong, and you can use SAM to essentially segment everything here. Now, just talking about the basic architecture for SAM2, there is the image encoder, which is going to encode the image, and then there is a mask decoder, which is going to decode a mask. The prompt is basically the point you input based on which you want to do the segmentation, and then it's able to produce segmentation masks. And the important thing is there is a memory encoder and memory bank. So this is going to be used in order to keep track of that object across different frames and track that object. And like they have also shared how they collected the data set, and it's really amazing that they have made it open sourced. So here is different applications. So let's go and take a look at the code here. So they have given the entire code, and they've given the instructions on how you can set up the repository, you can install it. And let's look at the sample notebook. So here in this GitHub repository, they have also given sample notebooks. Within these sample notebooks, there is an example for say predicting on a video. So they've given the entire notebook for that. So let's see, we can take a look at this notebook. So these are normal imports. So here you can predict, you can load the checkpoint based on whatever kind of model you want to load, and you build the predictor. And then with the video that you want, you can then essentially run the prediction on that particular video for the frames. And it's able to, like, this is the original video. You can with that video you can initialize the predictor, and then you can you have to specify a point which essentially acts as a prompt to the method. Based on this prompt, the segmentation will be done. So you can give it a point here, right? That point will act as the prompt. So in this case, 210 and 350 is being given as the prompt. So if we look at 210 and 350, this is basically this guy's shorts over here. This star is where we are telling the model to focus on, and then it says just add a second click to just make the refinement of the prediction to. So we add a second click over here, or second point here in the array, which is 250, 220, to kind of make sure that the guy is being covered. And then all you do is use that input points and add it to the predictor, and let the predictor do its magic, and you see the output here, right? And you can do it for the entire video. Here is propagating it to get the entire video, and you can see that throughout the frames that guy is being tracked without missing, and it's pretty nice, pretty amazing. And it's really nice that they have made this demo available for all of us to try, which is very powerful, and I believe a lot can be accomplished by doing this, right? So that is the SAM2 model that has been released. It's really nice. In the upcoming videos, we will be making some demonstrations after cloning the repository and trying on our own videos on different use cases. Maybe I want to try something in mining, I want to try something in maybe retail, and also something in autonomous driving. So hopefully we'll set it up, and we'll go over the code, and we will showcase some of the examples of using the code to directly infer and directly run inference without the online demo. So stay tuned for that. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. This was the introductory video introducing SAM2 model. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you are notified about any new video that we upload. Thanks again for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.